Now you're probably wondering, why is this guy lying on his back when you can clearly see the tripod? That's because I'm not moving. Today we're going to be talking about a great arm workout that's going to take care of that annoying flab, that part that makes the arm look like the bat wing, the bingo arm, and many names that it has. And after I finish this, I'm like, Vernon ain't getting up. The half mil dive, we're good. We got to sit here for a minute. Make sure you stay to the end because you're going to love the finisher that made me look like this. All right, so let's get right into this workout. First thing we're gonna start with is curls. It's gonna work your biceps.